Hi and welcome to the Bats in Churches e-learning program for cleaning in churches. This course will give you an overview of cleaning techniques that will help you to look after your church and clean in a way that will negatively impact items of heritage significance. Glass in church windows generally comes in plain quarried and stained glass, which is often painted. Both tend to be leaded and fixed into the stonework or brickwork with iron support bars. Before cleaning, inspect the window for any broken glass, corrosion or breaks to the lead cames or iron support rods. Also check for rotting window frames and damaged areas of stonework. If you find anything of concern, log it and then seek further advice. For cleaning glass, you need nitrate gloves, dust masks, soft brush, cobweb brush, paper sheets, stiff paper or card. Using a cobweb brush with a telescopic handle, carefully remove cobwebs, working from the top of the windows to the bottom. Take care not to knock the glass with the brush and wear a dust mask if there's lots of dust and debris present. If windows are high and very dusty, you can also wear protective clothing. Due to the use of lead in stained glass and plain quarry windows, direct localized brushing is not advised due to potential presence of lead dust. We don't recommend you use water for any cleaning on glass, as it can cause corrosion to the ironwork holding the window in place. Washing and rubbing the surface of painted stained glass may result in the loss of the paint and painted decoration, so cleaning historic glass should be left to a specialist glass conservator. It is not advisable to use any chemical or commercial cleaners on historic glass, as the chemicals they contain can damage surfaces, causing lots of detail and further deterioration. Even household cleaning products are too harsh for historic materials, especially those that are abrasive in nature. If windows are high and debris is likely to fall on you while you're cleaning up after bats, be sure to wear a mask and protective clothing. Also, wear your nitrile gloves and wash hands after completing any cleaning. It's likely that most bat droppings will be found on windowsill and ledges rather than the glass itself, but if any is found, a cobweb brush can be used to gently remove droppings into a window ledge for removal. If droppings do not come readily, leave in place, as forcing them off may cause damage to the glass surface. Remove droppings or dry urine deposits from window sills with a soft bristle brush. Liquid urine should be dealt up with upon discovery by absorbing as much of the liquid as possible using an absorbent cloth or heavy-duty paper towel. Further information, general cleaning guidelines and additional resources can be found in our companion booklet, Cleaning Guidelines for Churches with Bats.